Hello friends, myself Professor Bharat Basrani, and today I am going to share with you MCQ video based on the subject called Accountancy and Taxation. Friends, this is my first video based on MCQ. Let's have the glimpses of MCQ based on the subject. So presenting MCQs from the chapter called Departmental Accounting, and the subject is Accountancy and Taxation. Let's have the first MCQ on the screen. What is the base allocation base for rent, rates and taxes? Let's have the option. Number of points, area occupied on the basis of sales, or it may be on the basis of purchase. And the right answer is area occupied, option B. Next, how will you allocate discount earned, or you can say discount received? How it will be shown, how it will be allocated? Option 1 is on the basis of purchase, or on the basis of sales, or area occupied, or it may be on the basis of number of points. It is discount earned or discount received. On the basis of purchase, option A is the right answer. On the basis of purchase, it will be allocated. In case of departmental account, audit fees will be recorded in which account? So where will be audit fees shown? In which account it will be shown? Either in trading account, or profit and loss account, or general profit and loss account, or it may be shown in the statement called balance sheet. The right answer is option C, general profit and loss account. It will be shown. Fourth one, the lighting expenses of Home Limited is 1200, and total light units used for department A, B, C and D are 15:15:20:10. Then what will be the allocation amount? So over here we are supposed to make the valuation of allocation. Let's see the option first. 300, 300, 400, 200 is the first option. Like this, the options are provided to us. Now how this 1200 will be allocated? Sir, it will be allocated on the basis of the ratio given as per the departments. So let us make the total of it. 15 plus 15 plus 20 plus 10 will be the total weight is 60. So 1200 divided by 60 will be 20. So 20 multiplied by 15 will be 300. 20 multiplied by 15 again 300. 20 multiplied. So the right option is clear to us now. And the right answer is point A. 300, 300, 400 and 200, the total will be 1200. Like this, the allocation will be made as per the ratio given. Point 5. In Varun Limited, insurance premium of building is amounted at rupees 400 and prepaid insurance amount is 100, which is to be allocated in the ratio 1:2. Find out the amount. Total insurance amount is 400. From that, 100 rupees is prepaid. So 400 minus 300, the total amount will be 300. So 300 should be allocated into 1:2. So 300 divided by 3 will be 100. So 100 multiplied by 100 and 100 multiplied by 2 will be 200. So the right answer is clear to us. Option A is the right answer. 100:200. Sixth one, what will be the allocation basis for railway freight? Let's see the option. Purchase, average stock, sales, or it may be space occupied. The right answer is purchase. What will be the allocation base for canteen expenses? Let us have the options. Area occupied, purchase, sales, or it may be number of employee work. The right answer is obviously in the canteen employees are going to have their breakfast, lunch, tea, etc. So the number of employee work is the right answer. Option D. Point 8, MCQ number 8. What will be the allocation base for labor welfare expenses? Again, labor welfare expenses, labor worker. So let's have the option. Option A is number of worker employed, purchase, sales, or it may be none of the above. The answer is very simple. It is very clear to us with the topic, with the heading. Labor welfare expenses will be allocated on the basis of number of worker employed. Option A is the right answer. Number 9. Machinery of rupees 1,20,000 is used in business of K Limited, having two departments on which depreciation is to be provided at 10% per annum and is to be apportioned between two departments in the ratio of 2:1. What amount will be obtained? Let us see first of all what are the options available with us. So these are the four options available with us. The amount of machinery, the value of machinery is 1,20,000. On that we are supposed to make the calculation of depreciation, which is 10%. So it will be 12,000. 12,000 should be divided as per the ratio. So 12,000, 2 plus 1, that is 3. 12,000 divided by 3. So 4,000. 4,000 multiplied by 2 means 8,000, and 4,000 multiplied by 1 is 4,000. So the right answer is option B. 8,000 and 4,000 is the exact allocation of depreciation. Last one. Shiv Limited has 10% investment on 1/4/2019 worth rupees 12,000 and interest on investment is rupees 1,000 credit balance. How will you treat the above transaction? So let us see the information. Investment percentage is given 10% and the amount is 12,000. So on 12,000, if we calculate 10%, it will be 1,200. So the exact amount should be shown should be 1,200, but only 1,000 is credited. So the matter of interest is the entry should be made as per 1,200. So that is very clear that 200 should be shown as an income on credit side of 200 plus 1,000. So 1,200 entry should be shown on credit side of which account? Sir, it should be shown on credit side in general profit and loss account. So 1,000 plus 200 will be 1,200 credit amount should be shown as an income in general profit and loss account. So friends, that's all from my side. Enjoy this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe my video and stay tuned for the further updates for the new videos. Thank you for watching my video.